Hello everyone, I am Viral and welcome to another session of The Boring Teacher. As we are all familiar, the resistance of any material depends on a few factors like the material of the wire, the metal from which it is made, the length of the conductor, the area of cross section of the wire, and the temperature. So these are the few factors on which the resistance of a wire depends. Now let us focus on one of the factors, that is temperature. How is resistance related to the temperature? If the temperature increases, then the resistance also increases. The resistance in the wire also increases. So we can say that the resistance is directly proportional to the temperature. As the temperature of the conductor increases, then the resistance also increases. They are directly proportional. Now what if I decrease the temperature of the conductor? That means obviously the resistance will also go on decreasing, right? Now from this I get an idea that if we decrease the temperature of the conductor, then the resistance also decreases. So what if I bring the resistance of the conductor down to 0 or near to 0? That means what? If the resistance of a wire becomes 0, that means the conductance of the wire will become infinite. Right? If the resistance of the wire is 0, that means the conductance of the wire will become infinite. That means what? Once the current starts flowing in the conductor, even if there is no potential difference, the current will persist. Okay, this state of the conductor that we have achieved by reducing the temperature so that its resistance falls to 0, that state is known as superconductivity. That state is known as superconductivity, and the conductor in that state is known as a superconductor. Okay, the conductor is known as a superconductor. Okay, so to bring the conductor in this state, the temperature of the conductor needs to be really low, that is near to absolute zero. Right, now what is absolute zero? That means it is 0 Kelvin, or that is almost equal to minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. So to bring down the temperature of any conductor near to minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, at that point of time, the resistance of the wire, the resistance of that conductor can be brought near to 0 or almost 0. That means it will have infinite conductance. Now experimentally it is observed that the resistance of some substances like tin and lead that decreases tremendously, right, with the decrease in the temperature, and it almost becomes 0 in the temperature ranging 0 Kelvin or absolute 0. Now these kind of substances are known as superconductors. Now the superconductors are not in common use since it is very difficult to achieve such a low temperature. However, they can be very useful if it is possible to obtain them at a room temperature. So this is it for today. If you have enjoyed the video, then do not forget to like the video, share the video, and if you are new to the channel, if you are attending the session for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.